Hello viewers, you are welcome to my YouTube channel Botany. This episode on biome series will be the last one where I will be discussing on marine biomes. Marine biomes are the largest ecosystems on earth and are characterized by their salt water content and are found in oceans, seas and coastal waters. Marine biomes can be classified based on several factors like depth, temperature, salinity and proximity to the land. Marine biomes play a crucial role in Earth's climate, biodiversity, and human life. And they are the home to an incredible diversity of life forms ranging from microscopic organisms to large marine mammals. Human activities have had a profound impact on marine biomes, leading to significant environmental degradation and threats to biodiversity. To address the challenges facing marine biomes, numerous conservation efforts are being implemented worldwide. The contents of this video includes geographical extent of marine biomes, importance, biodiversity, factors influencing marine life, estuaries, oceans, and coral reefs, and lastly, human impact and conservation efforts. Marine biomes are the largest ecosystems on Earth, covering approximately 71% of the planet's surface. They are characterized by their salt water content and are found in oceans, seas, and coastal waters. These biomes can be classified based on several factors like depth, temperature, salinity, and proximity to the land. Here are some of the primary types. The coastal waters are the shallow areas near the land. Estuaries are the areas where the river meets the sea, characterized by brackish water, a mix of fresh and salt water. Mangrove forests are the tropical or subtropical forests found along the coastal lines known for their salt tolerance. They are found in the areas with sheltered coastal lines such as estuaries, deltas, and lagoons. Salt marshes are the tidal wetlands found in temperate regions, often dominated by grasses and sedges. Rocky shores are the coastal areas with rocky surfaces and are home to a variety of marine organisms. The sandy shores are the coastal areas with sandy beaches, often subject to waves and tides. The open oceans are the vast expanse of water beyond the continental shelf, stretching from the surface to the deepest trenches. The five major oceans are the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Southern, and Arctic. The seas are the smaller bodies of salt water, often enclosed by land. For example, Mediterranean Sea, Caribbean Sea, Arabian Sea, etc. The coral reefs are the underwater ecosystems formed by the colonies of coral polyps, known for their biodiversity and beauty. Marine biomes play a crucial role in Earth's climate, biodiversity, and human life. Here is a breakdown of their significance. Oceans absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and play a crucial role in regulating global temperatures. Oceans absorb a significant portion of the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, helping to mitigate climate change. Marine biomes absorb and store heat from the sun, regulating global temperatures. The ocean currents transport heat and nutrients around the globe, influencing weather patterns and climate zones. Marine biomes are home to incredible diversity of species, from microscopic plankton to large marine mammals. These ecosystems support a complex food webs, ensuring the survival of numerous organisms. Marine biodiversity is essential for genetic variation and adaptability of the species to changing environmental conditions. These biomes provide a significant source of food for billions of people through fishing and aquaculture. They support various industries including tourism, shipping, and mineral extraction. Marine organisms produce compounds with potential medicinal properties, contributing to human health. Marine environments also offer opportunities for recreation, tourism, and cultural activities. The factors influencing the marine life are salinity. The salt concentration of seawater can affect the distribution and abundance of marine species. The temperature varies with the depth and location. Warmer waters generally support higher biodiversity than colder waters. The pressure increases with the depth. The light decreases with the depth, affecting the photosynthesis. The nutrient availability impacts productivity. Areas with higher nutrient levels often have greater biodiversity. The oxygen levels fluctuate based on their depth and biological activity. The ocean current transport nutrients and organisms, influencing the biodiversity patterns. Marine biomes are home to an incredible diversity of life forms, ranging from microscopic planktons to large marine mammals. This biodiversity is essential for the health and functioning of these ecosystems. The different groups of organisms found are planktons, that is phytoplankton and zooplankton, macroalgae, invertebrates, marine fishes, and mammals. Phytoplankton are microscopic plants that produce their own food through photosynthesis. The zooplankton are microscopic animals that feed on phytoplankton. The planktons form the base of the marine food chain. The marine macroalgae, commonly known as the seaweeds, are the large multicellular algae that inhabit marine environments. They play a crucial role in these ecosystems, providing food and habitat for marine organisms. Some of the important examples are the brown algae, that is Phaeophyceae, which include the kelps like Macrocystis, Neurocystis, and Sargassum. The red algae, that is Rhodophyceae, which includes Porphyra, which is a popular edible seaweed. The green algae, that is Chlorophyceae, which includes Alva, Codium, etc. So these are only few examples, but many such examples are found in these ecosystems. The marine invertebrates includes the animals like jellyfish, known for its translucent bodies and stinging tentacles, corals, they are the colonial animals that build reefs, the sea anemones, that is the sessile animals with a cylindrical body and a crown of tentacles. The mollusks like snails, which have a spiral shell and muscular foot. The clams have the two shells that are hinged together. The octopus, a creature with 8 arms and no external shell. The arthropods includes crabs, which have a hard exoskeleton and then legs. Lobsters are similar to the crabs but with a longer antennae and more elongated body. The shrimps are the small crustaceans with a curved body and a long tail. The echinoderms include starfish, which has a radial symmetry and 5 arms. Sea urchins are the spherical animals with spines. Sea cucumber has elongated body with leathery skin. Marine fishes are the vertebrates that live exclusively in salt water. They come in a wide variety of shapes, size, and colors. They can be found in almost every ocean on earth. Some of the examples include bony fishes, cartilaginous fishes, and deep sea fishes. The bony fishes include salmon and anadromous fish, which migrate from salt water to fresh water to spawn. Tuna is a fast swimming predator that are highly prized for their meat. Cod is an important commercial fish species found in colder waters. Clownfish is a small colorful fish that live in symbiosis with a sea anemone. The cartilaginous fishes include sharks and rays. The sharks are the predators with cartilaginous skeleton and 5 pairs of gills. The ray fishes are the flattened fish with wing-like body and a tail. The deep sea fishes includes angelfish with a bioluminescence lure that attracts prey, gulper eel, which is a large deep sea fish with huge expandable mouth. The marine mammals are warm-blooded animals that live primarily in the ocean. They have adapted to their marine environment in various ways, including streamlined bodies, thick blubber layers, and specialized respiratory systems. The notable examples include the whales, the largest animals on Earth, including blue whales, humpback whales, dolphins, an intelligent and playful animal known for their acrobatic abilities. The seals have a streamlined body and flippers for swimming. Walruses are the large tusked animals that inhabit Arctic regions. The estuary is a place where the freshwater river meet the sea, creating a unique environment that blend fresh and salt water. They are incredibly productive and support a diverse array of life. The salinity of the estuaries varies depending on the tidal cycle, the freshwater flow and evaporation. The estuaries are influenced by the tides which cause water levels to rise and fall. Estuaries are often areas of the sediment deposition which can create mudflats, salt marshes, and mangrove forests. The estuaries support a wide array of marine and terrestrial species, including fish, shellfish, birds, and mammals. Many marine species use estuaries as nursery grounds for their young. Oceans are the largest and the most diverse ecosystems on our planet, covering approximately 71% of the Earth's surface. It is a complex world teeming with life, from tiny plankton to massive whales. The salt water is the defining characteristic of the ocean and with a high salt content. The depth varies from shallow coastal areas to the deepest trenches. The temperature ranges from freezing in polar regions to warm in tropical waters. The water pressure increases dramatically with the depth. The sunlight penetrates only the upper layer of the ocean. The zonation is based on the depth, light penetration, and other factors. The open sea is divided into further zones based on the depth. The epipelagic zone, it is the uppermost layer also known as the sunlight zone. It receives ample sunlight supporting photosynthesis by marine plants and algae. The mesopelagic zone, where the sunlight gradually decreases, and the organisms in this zone often have adaptations for low light conditions such as large eyes or bioluminescence. Bathypelagic zone is characterized by the complete darkness and high pressure. Many organisms in this zone are adapted to survive in these extreme conditions. Abyssopelagic zone, the deep sea with extreme cold, high pressure and sparse life. And lastly, Hadal zone, the deepest part of the ocean found in trenches and canyons. The Mariana Trench is the deepest oceanic trench in our planet, found in the western Pacific Ocean east of Mariana Island. The coral reefs are underwater ecosystems formed by the colonies of coral polyps, the tiny marine animal that secrete a hard calcareous skeleton. These skeletons accumulate over time, creating complex structure that can support a vast array of marine life. Coral reefs are often referred to as the rainforests of the sea due to their incredible biodiversity. The types of the coral reefs include fringing reefs, barrier reefs, and atolls. The fringing reefs form long edge of the island or continent. The barrier reefs are separated from the shore by a lagoon. The atolls are the ring-shaped structures that form around the submerged volcanic islands. The human activities have had a profound impact on marine biomes. Overfishing has led to the decline of many fish populations. It can disrupt the food webs and have cascading effect on their other species. Unregulated and illegal fishing practices contribute to the habitat destruction. The plastic debris like microplastics poses a serious threat to marine life. The agricultural runoff and sewage can lead to nutrient pollution causing algal blooms and oxygen depletion in coastal waters. Accidental oil spills can have devastating consequences for marine ecosystems. The absorption of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere is causing a ocean acidification, which threatens the coral reefs and shellfish. The sea level rise in coastal habitat and displacing the marine species is a serious problem. The climate change can lead to habitat loss such as melting of Arctic Sea and degradation of the coral reefs. The construction of the ports, resorts, and industrial facilities can destroy the marine habitat and disrupt ecosystems. This can lead to the increased pollution from the runoff and wastewater. Coastal areas are particularly vulnerable to the climate change impacts such as sea level rise and storm surges. The introduction of non-native species through the ballast water, aquaculture, and shipping can disrupt marine ecosystem and outcompete native species. To address the challenges facing the marine biome, numerous conservation efforts are being implemented worldwide. Here are some key strategies. MPAs, that is the marine protected areas. They are designated areas where human activities are restricted or prohibited to conserve marine ecosystem and biodiversity. It will help to protect the critical habitat and fish stock and also improve the water quality. The sustainable fishing practices like quotas and regulations. It is implementing quotas and regulation to limit the fishing catch and to protect the vulnerable species. Implementing effective waste management system to reduce plastic pollution and other marine debris. The implementing measures to reduce the nutrient runoff from the agriculture and urban areas, and oil spill prevention is also one of the measures. Supporting effort to reduce the greenhouse gas emissions to mitigate the climate change and its impact on marine ecosystems. Ocean-based climatic solutions includes exploring the ocean-based solutions such as carbon capture and storage to help and address the climate change. Promoting international agreements like Convention on Biological Diversity and United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea to protect the marine ecosystems. The encouraging cooperation among the countries in specific regions to address the shared marine conservation challenges. Educating the public about the importance of marine conservation and the threats facing marine ecosystems. Empowering the local communities to participate in marine conservation efforts. These are the videos created on Biomes series. The first one, Biomes influencing factors, then forest biome, the grassland biome, desert biome, tundra biome, freshwater biome, and lastly the marine biome. Thank you.